אכלתי קרואסון לארוחת בוקר. So, ulitin ko. אכלתי קרואסון לארוחת בוקר. Hello mga ka-unicos and mga ka-unicas! Welcome back to another vlog. So as you can see in the title, may share ulit ako sa inyo na 10 basic Hebrew words na basically maririnig nyo kung andito kayo sa Israel. Of course, mula sa inyong mga employers and dun sa mga anak ng inyong mga employer or employers. But before we proceed, I just want to make a disclaimer na hindi po ako native speaker ng Hebrew language. So here and there for sure makakarinig kayo ng mga shgiot or errors, and ngayon pa lang po pagpasensyahan nyo na, and just please bear with my pronunciation. And aside from that, kung bago ka lang dito sa channel ko and hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, then please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button beside it para ma-notify ka every time na meron akong upload na bagong video. So ayun nga, kung kayo interesadong matuto ng Hebrew language kasama ko, then please keep on watching. So yung ating first word is the word English. So, ano yung ibig sabihin ng English in Hebrew? So, ang translation ng English word in Hebrew is anglit. 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 Ani yodat ledaber beanglit. So, ulitin ko. Ani yodat ledaber beanglit. Which means, I know how to speak in English. Okay, second word natin is the word anachnu. 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 Which means, we. In English. So, ulitin ko. We in Hebrew is anachnu. 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 Anachnu kulanu bnei Adam. Anachnu kulanu bnei Adam. Which means we are all human beings. Third one natin is the word ani. So, ang English translation niya is I. So, ulitin ko. I in Hebrew is ani. Ani. Ani mea Filipinim bamakol. So, ulitin ko. Ani mea Filipinim bamakol. Which means, I'm originally from the Philippines. Fourth one natin is the word pineapple. So, anong pineapple in Hebrew? So, pineapple in Hebrew is ananas. 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 Ani ohevet ananas. Which means, I love pineapple. Fifth word natin is the word asul. 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 Which means forbidden in English. Ze asul. Ze asul. Which means it's forbidden. Sixth word natin is the word af. So, ano yung af in English? So, af in English is nose. Yesh li af ktana. Yesh li af ktana. I have a small nose. Totoo naman, di ba? Kitang-kita nyo naman. Okay, seventh word natin is the word peach. So, ano yung peach in Hebrew? So, peach in Hebrew is afarsek. 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 Hamitupelet sheli ohevet afarsek. So, ulitin ko. Hamitupelet sheli ohevet afarsek. Which means, my employer loves peach. Okay, yung ating eighth word is the word breakfast. So, ano yung breakfast in Hebrew? So, breakfast in Hebrew is aruchat boker. Aruchat boker. Aruchat boker. Akalti koason le aruchat boker. So, ulitin ko. Akalti koason le aruchat boker. Which means, I ate croissant for breakfast. Okay, ninth word natin is the word lunch. So, ano yung lunch in Hebrew? So, lunch in Hebrew is aruchat saharayim. Ulitin ko. Aruchat saharayim. Aruchat saharayim. Pero, alam nyo ba, minsan, ang pagkakabigkas dito ng mga locals ay aruchat tzohorayim. Aruchat tzohorayim. So, hindi ko sure kung ano talaga yung tamang pagkakabigkas dito. Just please comment down below kung ano pagkakabigkas ng inyong mga employer sa ibig sabihin ng lunch. Okay? Example natin dito is, yesh lanu schnitzel vepire le aruchat saharayim. So, ulitin ko. Yesh lanu schnitzel vepire le aruchat saharayim. Which means, we have schnitzel and mashed potato for lunch. Okay, we are down to our last and 10th Hebrew term, which is dinner. So, ano yung dinner in Hebrew? So, dinner in Hebrew is arochat erev. Arochat erev. Arochat erev. Okay, example natin dito is Yakhanti borekas le arochat erev. So, ulit ko. Yakhanti borekas le arochat erev. Which means I made borekas for dinner. Okay? And that's all for our video, mga ka-unicos and mga ka-unicas. I hope kahit papano meron na ulit kayong panibagong Hebrew words na natutunan mula sa tutorial natin for today. And kung kayo meron mga comments, suggestions, or anything, any Tagalog term na gusto nyo pa-translate in Hebrew language, then please comment down below in the comment section, okay? And I hope na gusto nyo tong video na to and you found it informative as well. And if you did, then please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And yun nga, kung hindi pa kayo nakakapag-subscribe dito sa aking channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button beside it para ma-notify kayo every time na meron akong upload na bagong video. And kung kayo merong mga kakilala na gustong matuto ng Hebrew language, kapamilya nyo, kaibigan, BFF, or anyone else, you can share this video para naman makatulong tayo sa kanila. And of course, para din po ito sa mga aspiring caregivers na katulad namin. And para din po ito sa mga bagong caregivers na andito na sa Israel, nakaka-deploy pa lang, na nangangapa pa lang sa Hebrew language. I hope kahit papaano makatulong tong video natin sa inyo. And ayun, I hope makita ko pa kayo next time. Ingat po tayong lahat. Bye!